morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Caleb jumps in a bush. You know where we're going to today? We're going to Tacos Manuel. It's a food truck in Santa Ana, parked at 17th and Mayberry. It's ranked number 20 in all of Yelp. Out of the whole United States, it's ranked number 20. This place claims to have the best burritos, best tacos, the best everything. Let's go check it out and see what it's like. But first, let's go see Bob. It's been a bit.
Think this place has any crazy tacos, like nipple tacos, or some more brain boys?
They do have brain tacos.
Okay, I'm getting the brains.
Ah! Whoa. Can't see anything. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. I got a special surprise for old Clegg. You guys are gonna love this one. You can't go in. I got a surprise for you. Do you guys have crayons for kids?
Yeah.
Oh, can I have it?
Yeah.
It's important.
Okay.
All right, thanks. I got you a little gift, but I'm gonna give it to you in a little bit. It's a little windy. It's a little windy. It's real windy. Okay, put it down. Squeak, squeak. It's good being back in California. Voss had the whole team coming out to Canada. I tell you what, I don't think there's sun in Canada. Not even a little bit. It rained the whole time. It was raining or snowing the whole entire time. Oh, am I gonna make this light? No. Committed. Suckers. Oh, bummer. I just realized I don't have any stickers for Bob. I gotta get around this guy. Doing like 3 miles an hour. Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm going to take this moment and thank the companies that are supporting this channel. Without you, I wouldn't be here. And you guys wouldn't be watching, truthfully. And those companies are Voss Helmets, the law offices of Henry Haddad, and, of course, Metric Method. Keep those guys in mind if you ever need their services or products. All right, back to today's video.
Hey, Johnny, how you doing, buddy?
Wait, bro.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? I'm Jacob.
Hi, Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Did you check Bob's pockets?
I did, man. He's got some stickers in there. I took one. Got these ones. Nice meeting you, man.
Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Take care, brother.
Nice seeing you, bro.
Bob, hello. What do we got? What do we got? We got some sticks. What is this? Ride a JJ?
Always getting stuck.
Oh, lots of these. There's not much, man. Right here. No, we just came to visit Bob. What are you doing? You're eating leaves?
I'm hungry, man. I need something.
You're hungry? Okay, well, actually, I have something for you. By special request from so many subscribers.
This is a red plus 10 horsepower Marine.
We got a red crayon. So go ahead, put that in your mouth and chew away.
You know I survived off of these in the Antarctic War of 1512. Johnny, I'm eating some crayons, buddy. You got that nice goatee.
Open your mouth.
I gotta swallow it.
Oh my god. Alright, so yes, the club eats crayons. There you go. I feel like you gained some respect just now. This is what's left to your cran. We're gonna give it to Bob.
All right, so if you want to finish this cran, you can come visit the great Grand Bobino, and you can take this fisty, but you have to eat the whole cran first, all right? There we go. There we go.
Oh yeah, I want to apologize for those of you guys that showed up in Vancouver looking to ride. I was totally down for it, but the weather just wasn't working. I promise though, I'll come back, dude. The Cleb and I, we're going to come back. We're going to come out to Vancouver. We're going to ride, dude. We're going to do some cool stuff. We'll make some videos. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter. And when it warms up, we'll be back. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today, Tacos Manuel. Tacos Manuel is owned and operated by Chef Juan. Chef Juan started in the food industry. Why are you hitting the brakes? Chef Juan worked in the catering business for several years until he got fed up with it, decided he wanted his own thing. It was then, in 2015, that he bought a food truck. Juan parks his now famous taco truck on 17th and Mabury in Santa Ana, where he claims to have the best tacos and burritos of all the land. For 2017, Yelp ranked his food truck top 20 of all the restaurants on Yelp. Now seriously, step back and think about that. All the restaurants that are on Yelp, this guy ranks number 20, and it's a food truck. I'm craving a carne asada burrito, and I feel like this is the one that's going to make me happiest. Now, slinging tacos and burritos out of food truck, why not keep the menu simple? He doesn't offer a lot, but what he does offer comes with a punch. Affordable, amazing food. He's selling huge steak burritos out of that truck for $5. Tacos all day for $1. He's also famous for his carnitas tacos, which I think go for $1.50. Can't wait to see what this place is like. I've eaten a lot of tacos and a lot of burritos, and I got a feeling this is going to be the spot. I'm actually curious how this place is going to rank up versus my absolute favorite burrito at Zamarana. You know, the place I took off Sir Rob? I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. Got him. That was a direct hit. I'm really happy that Cleb had a cram today. Got it. They don't like him much. Oh. Well, while I'm sitting on this boring stretch of road, I'm going to go ahead and use this opportunity to give a little shout out. Some of you guys are already familiar with Shade Tree Surgeon, and if you are, you're familiar with this girl, Jessica. She launched a new YouTube channel. She's got a few videos, not many, but if you're into dogs, she's for you. Go on over and give her a subscribe. Let her know where you came from. I'll sure appreciate it, and I know she will too. Links in the description of this video. My goddamn glasses fell out. That's bullshit.
What happened?
My sunglasses fell out of my pocket.
No. Oh, man. Oh, no. No. No.
They're not too scratched up. All right, 17th Street. Uh-oh. Sorry, buddy. It's a good-looking pineapple. This truck should be right around here somewhere. It's supposed to be right here, and I don't see it. There it is.
You got any extra crayons so you can sprinkle on top of my top?
Tacos Manuel, what'd you think, man?
We're changing that 20th place to 60th place. Pretty good, but not 20th.
I agree, man. I mean, it was good. I don't regret going, but I won't come all the way back this way to eat tacos out of a food truck. For one, I like to sit. So what do? We had to go to El Pollo Loco and eat these things, man. I won't be back, but the taco was good. If you're in the area and you see the truck, I do encourage you to stop, but don't expect it to be one of the best tacos and burritos you ever had in your life. What about you, Mr. Alex? What'd you think?
A lot of food for the money, but it wasn't that good.
Oh, right, dude. All that food we got that you saw on the table barely hit $20 for all that stuff. Bang for your buck, for sure. Taco Bell's more expensive than that place. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest, greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. You also find out how to get that Suburban Delinquent exhaust. Make sure you check out Clev's channel. Get his version of today's events if he was recording, which I don't think he is. Either way, go over to his channel, check him out. And I'll catch you guys later.
So you guys say, hope you feel better tomorrow.